What's up, Freshers? It's your girl, Pindy Black, your host with the most gassy girl with international dreams. You know how we always do it, bigger, better, fresh, and always on point. Welcome to the freshest part to ever do it, my love. And as you all know, I am never rolling solo because no man or woman is ever an island. I'm over there with Naji.
Hola, hola, bafethu. This is your poet Wotumano Score, and yes, lethu bumnandi. Welcome to the Fresh Pod. Yipo,
She's and namhlanje we do have an amazing guest host that's going to be doing this lovely thing with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome
The one and
man that
only.
always keeps you laughing.
The one and
on the
only.
social.
Hey.
Shaba Wama 2K. Yeah.
Ayena mina
For real?
Akreni mina. Eish.
I'm here with you guys today. Yeah,
Uzaqeda ndoda.
Cousin Beyonce.
Shimbaneza ngazi
Cardi B. Umfishane.
Hayi uhlala kanjalo ndoda ngeke bakujaji.
Awujampisi bro, like very low key, very low key.
Skipani bafethu.
Mina ngikrene ndoda. This week it's still Monday ne. Mara ngiyabona ukuthi this week ngizokhathala.
Uzokhathala. Yeah, because you're already here and it's just the beginning of the week.
Sasa.
So-
Yazi ngifuna uyokhipha izinyo. Then ushafla Wednesday. Then somewhere Thursday.
Uphethe izinyo.
Ndoda, uphuza amaphilisi.
Izinyo ngilisaba kanje.
Nami ngiyalizwa.
Manda so.
Ejo izinyo lizokuvusa ngo4. Ube
We won. Hayi ngo2. Ngo2 we won.
Izinyo libhlungu.
Ngaphandle ukuthi tu.
Empala izinyo yazi izinyo ngathi
Uzocabanga.
Yes.
izinyo ngathi umuntu kanti bamtshela ukuthi ungena ngesikhathi
Ngalesi
sikanjani. Yabona
Yakubona
emini. Lizokuyeka wenzeni. Uloku liblofa ngama-grand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isizicale zithi boma 9-10 ngey'nkathi zokulala.
One. Ngitshela ngo1.
Ngabe uma 1 ke lapho ke selihlanyile
Kuthi
lapha
tu.
sathatha next ama-brick flute amayini nalifuni. Ngiyakutshela mbana. Uyedwa kutheni ngo3 ngicela lifuleni. Ngicela lifuleni izinyo jo.
That's why mina ngifuna ukukhipha edala lengihlupha ngibhizi ngamaphilisi lana enini. But then wena phindi unjani?
I know me, I'm awesome. I'm super also like just very happy about the Metros. Our girl Basi managed to scoop 3 awards for the one song that she was nominated for.
Mara
And-
asivumeni ingoma le. That song is a hit.
Ikwalanga is I personally feel like it's one of the
Best
generational
collaboration.
songs. Best collaboration, best amapiano song, best music video.
Bega.
She deserved it. Like she absolutely deserved that one. And yeah, Makati
Mara-
snapped song of the year. Piri Marung snapped and it got Pori talking there.
That's what I wanted to say.
Piri Marung, yes, it did.
Did you get an award? No.
Now.
It didn't. Oh,
No.
it didn't.
Abaya-
It didn't.
abaya
I think-
lento le
I think
yamameta.
No, it didn't. Yes,
That's
it
why
didn't.
Opori-
That's why he
I
was
lied.
complaining.
Ayikhona.
Ayikhona hali.
Yakhona la nto. Umuntu
Ayikhona
background yena.
hale.
Ayikhona.
Ayikhona.
Ngaphela even leya.
Because you know what, ne? What I love about Upori, every
Yes.
year there's something.
Uskaya
Askayo.
something.
You
Eshisayo.
understand? And me not agree ukuthi kube nemi lapha kulama awards.
What I said
this
in the
culture
group
of
chat.
rigging awards has, like, I think it's always like been a chat.
I
Yeah,
saw.
understand.
I even saw this girl. Ubani unalady aphiwe.
Naledi Apiwe,
Yeah.
she
Also got
won.
an award.
Yeah.
She also got an award
For
for
ingoma
ingoma
le
yakhe no
yabathini?
Romeo and Juliet with Umawelele.
Which one?
Where ma
Best Afro pop song of the year.
No, Mawelele
Best
got
Afropop.
thingy, bathini le yakhe no quest, bathini all my.
Yes, even the song that Naledi won, it's the song that she features Umawelele on Romeo and Juliet.
It's
Oh,
ingoma
the
yakhona.
power
So,
couple. Welele.
I don't know the
Oh,
song
is that what-
is that
actually.
what I'm singing?
I don't know the song
So
actually.
that's the song that got an award. Leyo ngayikhumbuli.
Yeah, like I think.
Good point.
Ayishaba.
Yeah,
Ayishaba.
une point there.
No, it is the song that got award ne.
What's
You
the
know
name
why
of the
ne?
song?
Also, it's because like most of these categories that these people are nominated for are categories that are open for the public to vote. You understand? So. All of them also because they were very tough because also the people that they were nominated alongside
So-
were also very good. Mara kulmama vote buffet and if I'm
Ah,
campaigning
aye.
for votes,
Aye,
if
aye.
I'm campaigning for votes
Yeah.
more than you,
Hayikhona.
guys.
Hayikhona.
Guys.
Bona. So my Metro awards are for which year? The years we are going 2024.
Yes, it's just basically for 2024. So these people submitted their music in 2024
Guys, Mara.
for these awards.
Okay, angali ne we bayakhala ngo-Scots and all that, but come on, guys.
akanominatwanga nakayi-one.
Come on, guys.
No, he was there for Biri Marung.
Hayi,
because-
Biri
Ah,
Marung,
guys,
hawa.
aye.
He made a lot of
Yebo,
hit
lapho-
songs.
Yeah, a lot of great
Yeah,
songs were not
well,
nominated for.
Like, abo-
We can count
abo
numerous
Mbeche-
songs.
Lord.
Did he submit the music?
I'm definitely sure they submitted because a lot
obvious.
of artists were also complaining online that they had submitted like their songs.
Yeah, most of them
but their songs were not
ayabaphathanga
nominated.
kahle.
Even Usol
Yeah.
Penduga even went online to say
Yeah,
we
athi
submitted for Edith Kabang.
Ngicabanga didn't.
Joe,
It didn't get
Kabang,
nominated.
Joe.
They can cancel them. It's fine.
Joe.
Freshman Awards is coming.
Yes. Simple mbana. Cause lele abayenza isona mbana.
And abantu
Yeah.
fana noZinqumalo Sherry post lapha ku Facebook.
Zinqola Makia.
She didn't get an award. Did she?
Hayibo.
Akathola nge-award and she did share on Facebook with like uban I don't know who.
Udlala Thukzin.
Oh, Dlala
Postile.
Thukzin
Then-
posted something about the Metro Awards.
Yeah.
Zinqumalo wayishare wathi
I feel like lama award kumele uhambe inyanga seval ukuthi wathole na.
Yeah,
Like
definitely.
serious ngathi kuneminyango kumele uhambe.
vele.
Definitely.
Because
Ingoma ezijayivile, no?
Ivarine. You can't lie to the people, Joe.
You can't.
You can't lie to us.
You can't.
You understand? Angaphuma amawati sharp and there will be a debate ukuthi yes, but she deserved it, she doesn't,
Yeah.
she deserves, she
Hey.
doesn't. But you cannot lie to us, Joe.
vele.
You cannot
But
lie
personally,
to us.
Mina, I personally feel like most of the people that won, most of the artists that won were really deserving. I mean, MT won best
So
produced
okay, ngicela ukubuza.
album.
Ulim
and
Crazy, Ulim Crazy,
He
wa
was
Ulim Crazy.
nominated.
Joe.
Ulim Crazy or Ulim Crazy?
Yeah.
Epasini.
2024.
Ah, mara
The
bafisa.
Yeah.
first part of
Hayi,
2024.
mawenziwe futhi lamawati. Ulimeke akathola ngawati.
Sinikeni chance yokuvota futhi ha
Ish,
oh.
bro.
Okay,
Like
wait.
maybe
Do you think they should vote secretly or the country should vote on its own?
The country should vote
the
on
country
its own.
is voting on its own.
Ah,
There's
mara,
a
mara.
whole- There's a room.
Ah,
you know,
obvious.
with the-
Mara-
Yeah,
Shafla,
obviously
Doug.
they audit the votes. They have to audit the votes in terms of because like Sivota, it's not even like
Guys,
an
it's
online
20
thing.
You can just try a Twitter poll and then we know who won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get what
Ngicela
I'm saying?
nivuleni, guys.
You get what I'm saying? But now with Twitter, it's always those things of Uguti. A Twitter account can get hacked.
Instagram.
You understand? Instagram, nah, you buy a hack Instagram. You understand?
All
So the
these,
security
media,
features.
social media platforms bangazibeka.
The security features of these things don't allow it to be eligible. Ukuthi ungaze uhoste ama awards amakhulu kangaka like ama Metro and then just put it on Instagram or Facebook for people to vote.
Guys, El
However,
Chapo.
in
El
this
Chapo.
abo El Chapo fethu.
Ah,
Abo
no, it's fine.
fethu.
Ngcono sivote njengoba sivotela ama-political parties siyavuka ekuseni ngesonto
Yeah,
sifuna
wow,
siphele.
similar.
Yeah, ukuthi namhlanje sovotela ama-Metro FM Awards or ama-Summer Awards because
Yeah.
wow.
Also, we just need
Basro.
one awards, man. It's too many awards.
No, mara still not. But I mean, I feel like Baba Rupina.
No, but for music now, I think they're just trying to accommodate like every genre that there
And-
is.
but-
So you know there's the likes of Amapiano Awards, South African Hip Hop Awards,
But-
Metros, and the Summers.
Can
As
I-
far as music is concerned, now makhulu ke.
Yeah.
So can I ask you, did they include Isikompo on those?
Likompo, no,
Yeah,
Likompo was not. Oh, Umakati is also
Ah,
part
man.
of
Nah.
Makazi
Likompo.
nabo King Munada.
Actually,
yes.
that's not Likompo.
Echo Isikompo man abo
Abo
Shibeshita, abo
Shandeshi,
Tribe,
Mbega.
abo
I know, but
Shandeshi.
Umakati also falls under Likompo. It's just that she's
Yes.
more of the traditional
I'm
sense.
not trying to anyim
Mina leyo
Oh, mara wena
animbukeli
ukhulumela-
phansi or animgqekeli
You are
phansi.
speaking about the young
But
cats.
igenre yakhe umusic wakhe mongamamela then you listen to Abo Tribe.
Abo Tribe,
You
Nabo
could tell the
Shebe,
difference.
Nabo
Yeah,
Shande,
uthi
yeah,
Likompo
like
is this one, Makazi is this one.
Nabo Jelly Baby, Nabo Karishma.
Jelly Baby Likompo man.
Karishma.
Abo Karishma.
Abo Karishma, yeah.
That girl naye bekayideserve award. Abo Chok Slam.
Endoda.
Yeah,
Abo
they did.
Sikoloto.
Like
Abo
many
Matume.
people ruled 2024. Mara abaningi asibabonanga kuma metros.
Yeah, because
Some
all I
of them
saw,
weren't even nominated.
all I saw was Biri Marung. Mina, I saw Biri Marung the most there. Biri Marung everywhere.
Sharp,
Biri Marung,
Mara
Biri Marung.
didn't win an award.
Now, how crazy is this? Biri Marung doesn't win Song of the Year and then it's the closing.
Bheka uwine song of the year.
But actually-
Manje ihlulwe ama metros kanjani?
Wasn't bebanga compete ne kwelanga?
They were competing with Igwelang.
But then that's
It
a
was
competition.
thing.
Because
It-
both of those songs, Joe.
That's why I'm
Well,
saying these categories.
I'm not
Even let's not overlook Ndisakuthanda by Zinqumalo and Tibo. It also like
But this is
is-
now.
But it's a song that just popped up
But
now.
also, you
No,
right
first-
because Yebo Baba the remix. I mean, the person who was announcing the award said Boozley, Casper Nyovest. They didn't mean the actual the piano track. They
Yeah,
made
the hip-hop version of
It won
it.
Song of the, and that song dropped this year. If I'm not mistaken.
Which song?
Yebo Baba, the remix.
Yebo Baba.
That's the one that
Baba.
when the
The
guy was
remix,
announcing
yes.
Song of the Year.
Is
he
Scooter Baba naso sitholi award?
Yeah.
Song of the Year.
Song of the year.
No,
Scooter
Metros.
Scooter
Metros.
Baba.
Over
Metros.
Billy Maroon, over
Kuma Metros.
Kuma Metro.
Yes.
on the Metro. Song of the Year. is
Over Epasini,
Scooter
imagine.
Baba. Scooter Baba just now.
Over Epasini.
But it is a good song. I
Come
won't
on,
lie.
Billy Maroon. Epasini
Epasini.
took us from February to almost like October.
Dog, Mina, I could mention songs that deserved some awards.
To be or even to be nominated.
You think mention it 3, now mention it 3, now mention it 3 season 2. Which song was supposed to actually be nominated? It was supposed to actually receive an award.
Okay.
Ne?
Yeah.
For my piano or all genres?
I'm a piano. La piano, ngire.
Okay.
Icona.
Icona.
So yeah, my chat, thingy, le Scott Maphuma no Bathiban. Yo konje mina ngazi ingoma ezibhaza Scott Maphuma manje ngikhohlala amagama.
Sing
No.
it. Sing it.
I'll come back to the Scott Maphuma thingy. No, not Madlamini man. Oh, Abonokuthula.
Nocturne.
Ah, Shamata Muda.
Thank you.
Alele
Ah,
Zero.
an award, hayi nabi.
Abonokuthula. Ne? Yeah, ndoda.
Yeah.
Angisho naye bakakhona Scott Maphuma.
Yeah, and
How? Ngithe Abonokuthula ngisho.
Yes.
Then it was thingy Epasini by Lim Crazy. Then konje which song was that one? Oh, Lega Lim Crazy man, that took after his
Temapoza. Or
Funk 99.
Funk
I think
99.
those three.
yeah.
Ooh,
So
Funk
imagine
99
out
was a
of all
hot
these
one.
three,
It was a hot
ayikho
one.
one late to the
That got-
award, ayikho one
That got
nominated.
nominated. Yeah, well,
Okay, sharp.
maybe I
You got
think
the
the
top three
process
out.
the process of nominating songs also is very influenced probably by power or who probably like spent the most money on specific on a specific
Music video.
yeah, bona,
things.
not even like music video to
Mara mabancisha uScott Maphuma mabapha uScott Attitude ke award. Simple.
at least one of them.
Yeah, all
One.
one makatholi. If uScott Maphuma makatholi award le Metro.
Scott
Then
Attitude.
give Scott Attitude.
At least one of them.
At least mara guys,
least.
uScott bekasiphethe the whole 2024.
Even 2025,
True.
the-
Even namanje,
he still has
okay,
us.
mubheke best attitude of the year. Ayithi ungisho
Yes.
ngoma ilo award lengoma.
Yes.
Muphele attitude best attitude of the year.
I
Because
know.
there is yebo lapho ispam somtoko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is yo Joe.
Oh, there's a lot.
Even
Scott.
now Ipirima
Pirima
deserved
Room,
it
yeah,
at some point.
it did, it did.
And also and I'm ngakhuluma ngathi umafitso.
Ubheka phezulu yekhono zenza amaviso.
Ngikhuluma ngathi angisabi umuntu.
Yeah,
Ngizoshaywa yazi.
khuluma, dog,
And also who?
khuluma. Khuluma.
Ndoda,
Song.
bheka. Okay, sharp.
But with
Nah,
Scott,
Epasini.
Scott, his catalog is very solid. Bruh.
Sharp,
He
ngiyambona
deserved
uScott,
at least
ne?
maybe 2 or 3 Yama nominations and at least
Did
maybe
Foka
1 or
win?
2.
Yeah?
No, Foka Kere was Biri Marung and he also didn't win.
Bheka,
Foka.
sharp.
Awukhona
Let everyone-
khali.
They didn't even I didn't even see Melo and Sleazy there.
Joe.
Yeah,
Is the award for thing on Metros? Do they do producers of the year?
yeah, they do.
yeah.
Best
They do
produced
produced
but what?
album. They do best produced
But does
album.
the cut- but
And
we are
MT
playing
won.
too
And MT won. And Kelvin Momo was
Best
also
produced album in
best
South Africa,
produced
MT.
album. DIY3.
DIY3.
He won. Shout out to
Inja,
MT. The
Inja
Hustler.
again.
Silas.
He also like he won
Bafuna
against the likes of
Wayengang.
Kelvin
Waza la
Momo.
ukamera bakubone
Wayengang.
nhle.
Wayengang.
Bakulande nawo.
Wayengang.
yeah.
Yeah, you know, and in that category was also very like tight because even Kelvin
Momo.
Momo was nominated for that
Guys,
category
Kelvin is not there.
for
Kabza
his
is
album
not-
in
Kabza,
Tako.
that album,
Kabza
Mthandazo.
ndoda.
Yeah.
Like,
Kabza
Joe.
is also there in that
Was it the album or
category.
EP le Mthandazo? Album.
Yeah, the Mthandazo, ne?
But also, guys, you need to be aware of one thing, ne? Just because when you're as good as everyone else that you're nominated with, doesn't mean a lot of people are going to vote for you. Minu Kabza fading in favor. Kelvin Momo deserved to also win Best Produced Album. Young Todd. However, who is voting? That's why we even get mad when the year ends and then unyaka unqanyulwa umaskandi. Because Tina, we like these songs because we stream them. We don't vote for them to win to
Hayi,
win song of the year.
kuyavotiwa.
Who
Shaba,
voted?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
say
people vote. We
when
need a
Shaba,
national
for
day
instance,
for
when
voting.
Shaba, for instance, did you vote?
mina shaba ngivumela
Did you
nawo nje
vote?
fanele sibambe ama-ID
Shaba,
sovote
did you
exam.
vote?
Mbonile
Shaba.
bazobarobha abantwana babantu, that's why
Ah,
ngivota. Mbonile,
yes.
reason why ngavotanga is because, okay, do you think if bengivotile for Scott's Attitude beyazoyiwina award? You
probably-
still.
If bafuna
You
ukurobha.
probably could have. I told you yesterday, go WhatsApp, ukuthi I voted for MT to win Best Produced Album, and he won.
Manje
Why?
ufuna
I
ufuna ukuthi mina
voted.
if ngivotele
I
umuntu
voted.
bazowina
Oh, wait.
I voted just because you are
MT
as good as the
go
next
to
person
Vele-
doesn't mean.
Presenting piano, but he's voting hip hop.
Ubani?
Well, guys, I have to be honest
Maro MT.
with my song exactly.
No,
bruh.
MT, I love
No,
MT.
MT.
Ufuna kujuka-
you have to
MT.
understand ukuthi the hustler is number one
Yabona
kuphiki.
Yes.
manje
No.
bakhuluma
Also for me, it was just
ngami.
like very personal because MT is my coach. You understand?
Yeah.
So I was just praying for him to win at least one or
Yeah,
two of
just
these
that
awards
pull-up
that he
was
got
too nice.
nominated
Yeah.
for.
That pull up got MC.
So yeah, you
was
know.
too nice with the
So
kids and
also,
stuff.
I personally feel like Calvin also did deserve one or two. I voted MT because I personally feel like at this point his journey is very personal because of I've seen where he started, how his journey has been, and up until here now as
Pindi, you
a
came
person
with
who's
emotions
really.
in business.
Yes.
You don't come with emotions in business.
So nivotela umuntu ngobe ubuye ezozweni ayohlala imidlalo.
No, I didn't know. Mina personally, I love MT's music. Mina
Oh,
MT.
MT.
MT is my
Love
number
him.
one artist.
Yazi ubuye ematatela thi
guys,
ngivote.
ah.
Phela ubuye ematatela ahlale emitrend ambitious yamnyisa athi yathi ngivote.
Mara MT is dope, Joe.
He's the
Yes,
best.
and I mean, for me, in like when it comes to SA hip hop, after AKA, he's my second best.
Joe,
Uyangithola?
that's what I always tell people.
Uyangithola?
U-MT umntwana we-industry.
Yes.
Umntwana wale country
So
kahle
that's
kahle.
why I
Ngeke
voted
awe
for him.
manje.
Joe, bona lama flop lawa enziwa u-MT.
Yeah.
When I say ama flop, he once trended ngalento
Ngale- yosh.
4-5 and all that. Do you think if it was someone else, beyazoba sase relevant namanje?
Nah.
Nah.
And Joe,
never.
u-MT is the only guy that we love as a country and siyamxolela no matter what.
Yes.
And it's not because of the personality,
Yes.
but also the talent that he has.
Yeah.
U-MT into emkhulumelayo i-mic. Yabona when he gets in
Apply.
studio.
Once
Makangena studio.
awubambe imic nje
Angangena
akamosheke.
studio.
Utheka amanzi.
Country yama le awuthi,
Speaking of that, wena, mawungangena ku Instagram and click on that record button, you start saying some shit.
Hey.
That gets people
Ubani?
laughing their asses off. Wena.
Wena.
How did that concept come about? Your
Yo,
content
wait.
yakho.
I-content yami yaziqala kanjani njami? It was 20
wo.
Sigboni.
Oh.
mana re. Yazini. So it was 20. Okay, during lockdown. Let me say during lockdown. Sengisaba nokubamba uzodnya.
Ish uyabona manje. How
It was during lockdown, ne? So there's this guy. I don't think you guys know him, but if you do, then congratulations. So there's this guy called Utabo Mkiri. Wasilimpopo. So he usually do these voice notes. Mata.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
yeah.
So I used to love ama Vienna because I send a WhatsApp normally. So I don't know what was happening with Beyonce. Then I just decided to send to Beyonce voice note. So my first.
was it the whole Pama situation? The Mpama in the
Tell
lift.
it Bella Slam.
respond.
No. Can you give me my phone? I want to show you.
Yeah.
The first voice note.
First one that you did.
Yo. And yabona from there ne.
Yeah.
Angibonini. Ibambe kahle
Ukuthi-
iPhone ithe ngebhara.
Oh,
Sihlangane ebhara ngigcoka itekile Nike. Yeah. Malini iPhone 13 ngakutholela nge 5.2.
ha, angeke 5.2, iPhone 13.
Utholisebenza isikhathi leso yazi.
Yasebenza no, hayi ukuthi uthola nayi.
Nayi proof.
Nayi proof.
Uyithenge nini?
Ngithenge last year.
Guys, if you lost an iPhone 13 and uhlale Soweto last year,
Thembisa. Uhlala
Mara,
uhlala
uhlala
Thembisa.
Thembisa, ngithenge ebhara,
Ngithenge
alright.
ebhara, that's why I'm saying Soweto.
Oh.
Here's my
I
first
think this
voice
is the
note.
culprit.
Beyonce, to the left, I know where you phone down by Jim. Ooh, Beyonce, izingane zami azisakuthanda azisakuthandi. Ithi sawubona Auntie Beyonce.
Sawubona Auntie Beyonce.
Ithi uzovakasha nini we-auntie?
Zawashaya nina auntie.
Oh, Beyonce, nizovakasha nini? Kodwa anisasazi, anisavakashi nokuvakasha. Ukhonze lapho ku-Jay-Z, Nkosi yami. Siyakuthanda.
So
Hayibo umntwana vele bakabelieve ukuthi ukhuluma
Who's
noBeyonce.
that feature co-star there?
No
it
umntwana
was August.
uyezwa ngevoice
2021.
yomntwana ukuthi hayi umntwana uyakholwa ukuthi ukhuluma noBeyonce.
Yes.
Intana yasekaslam. You remember on Manning Tuna Lente 21 questions, I mentioned a lady called Umbali. So ingosi yakhe. So yabo ule family le yakahle kahle.
Talented.
Bonke ngibaphethe. So ingosi yakhe simbiza ngobhuti.
Yeah.
So ubhuti
Ubhuti?
yeah simbiza bhuti.
Like boot.
Yeah, but akusigama
Ubhuti.
lakhe.
Oh,
Ile
Bhuti.
igama lokumteketile. So I can say bhuti, it's ftek kuphindile. Angasho ftek. Yabo. So you tell him what to do and he does
Mathuma
it.
sabele.
Yeah, manje le yake la yabo. So ngathi bhuti asenzele uBeyonce ivoice note.
Yeah.
Then we did.
Hayi mara yena ukuthembile ngiyezwa ngevoice.
And that
Ukhuluma
thing blew up,
ngeconfidence.
Yo Joe, it got comments and people were laughing. Amanye ama page by repost. And I was like, nah, content man. So I tuna. So at first I used to focus on international celebrities, yabo.
Yeah.
So Beyonce, the Jay-Z's, Drake.
Oh, because was Taba.
You understand? Yeah, and I would speak to them ngathi ngikhuluma ne-Achasekas. Like
Oh.
izwa le voice
Yeah,
note.
kuthiwa
Ngikhuluma ngathi
Beyonce.
ngikhuluma no-Antu Amalalo.
Awusafuna
You
ukusibona.
understand? So up until this boy, who's this boy? Rigo Leon. Thokozile.
No,
Yeah.
Rigo.
Yeah, so when he copied the content, and I was like, you know what? Kunale saying esilungu bathi if you're an influencer and someone uyakukopisha ungakwadi.
Yeah,
Bad.
you were that great.
Influencer.
Bangimangaza mina abanye
Ba- ba- ba-
abakwata.
ba-
Abanye
so-
labo bayakwata manje umuntu mathola content yakhe.
bona nami ngayikova kanti lento engijoyina manje yenzani.
Mara
But
iyafana.
man ngabona ukuthi I influenced this person.
Yes, you
You understand?
influenced him.
Ufrostana ne-content ngenxa
Yeah,
yakho.
chola. So uthe makaqala
Yafana.
shale content le yama
voice
voice note
note.
yabo Thukuzini. I was like, you know what? Eating up game. Manje yabona sekunamabhodo kuyaliwa manje.
Seyaliwa manje.
And then if uza neyamabhodo,
Usha uMass Music.
if na uza neyamabhodo, ngiza nenye futhi. Mara nge-voice note angiyeke voice note.
Oh,
So I was
yeah.
like, you know what? Manje yini umehluko between Ushaba no Rigo? There needs to be a difference.
There needs
You know,
to be.
kumele uzwe ukuthi manje Ushaba.
Yeah.
This is Rigo. So yena uyenza le yakhe yama direct la jealousy, but mina yami ke mfana
Reply.
yeah chol yazi ngikenzani ngiyenza nokuthi nanoma when I record it manje post ku TikTok kuba nalento ukuthi konje nama duet or in
Oh, yeah.
able to act whatever because every time
Okay.
uyimamele so ba ne
Actually,
picture
because
So many picture,
I was thinking,
yeah.
why don't you move it to like visuals? Because I can imagine that
but
being.
but
Inge-
visuals you know what
Visuals izom.
yeah izoba
Ingeke isaba
think
kanjalo ngoba manje we see him.
yazi voice note ikhazwana yini le phela
imagine
letshela
it.
bani nje
Yeah.
maphorisa
And umtshela live in his DM.
You understand? So if ngiletha into videos should mele manje ngicela umaphorisa abe like exactly
I guess that's season 2.
No, I think with the whole Ayenza Ngama video thing, that's where now we come in. You know,
Oh, yeah.
where you can like use it as a sound.
Oh,
now,
yeah.
too.
Yeah, true. But
Yeah.
you're right though, because
Yes, you're right.
Imagining the whole thing happening.
Yes.
namabhoda ayakhala.
You're right.
nikushiyana ushuthi uhlekiswa into ezibhaka ukuthi
Ipicture.
nokucabanga nje ukuthi abantu bakuphi like basezozwena amabhodo something sothi ufunane mikhuba
Yeah.
x ripos olanda ama vocals you understand like
vocal ayaphuma.
nikushiyana direct le ukuthi le
That's
ntwana
like
lo
brilliant content. though.
oyangibamba
Ah baratwana la ungishayile la acela uyishaye futhi. Right. Hayi.
leka maphorisa ne
Right. Ivocal yaphuma.
vocal
Oh, was it with the Amalanga Wafani
Yeah, it was
times,
during
ne?
those things.
Yes.
I know that one was cool. That one was so cool.
And the moment in it like was just crazy because that
Yeah,
thing
it was perfect timing.
Something Soweto. Aye, man, something Soweto makancane. Mass music makancane. Angali uyathisha bi makancane. Something Soweto man. Something Soweto. Yo, niyabona nenzani. Maphorisa, something Soweto uze nabantu baku X Ripo la endlini ka Mass Music. Bathi bafuna ukukhipha ama vocal wabo kule ngoma le Amalanga Wafani. Manje niyakuhlebela ukuthi wow man, X Ndiyazi ukuthi mina ngiyifisha emanzini ngirame emlilweni. Isipani sami ukushaya isipani. Right. Ngiyaphuma ivocal.
Ama-vocals ayaphuma.
And yabona nyuka 3 yama characters. No,
Yes.
4. So it's
It's
X,
Repo.
Umas Music with something, so it's 3 people.
And then you
Wait,
are
who?
communicating
But
nomaphorisa.
bonke labantu laba akadlalanga more than 5 seconds. So uzwile Umas Music uvela athi
ngi-out
ngi-out
sharp.
Then you know ukuthi vele
Which
ngi-out
there's a
sharp.
song,
Yeah, understand. You already know ukuthi this is Mass Music. Akaringa this part.
Ngi-out
Ngi-out
sharp.
sharp.
Ngi-out
Then
sharp.
you already know ukuthi that was Mass Music.
Something utheni.
Something soethu ayithi ngihle nyamkhuzu yabo nyamkhuzu.
Uyo lwayo.
Nguye lwayo rasa
Oh.
dama nima kancane. Then
X-Rap.
X-Rap uthola isikhathi sakhe.
Right.
So yabona
So,
ukuthi
Don't you though consider yourself as a script writer? Because that's like
Content
proper-
eyenziwe.
I don't. You said you don't write your jokes.
then it comes back to this thing ukuthi Shaba is also an actor.
Yeah.
You're a script writer. Like you can write serious comedy with
Yeah.
that. That's like
You know
a
the
proper script.
ayibhayise.
Like Joe, even when I do ama skits, ne? Even with the video yama go to ama piano.
Yes.
Yeah, chola. Ejo mapala ama clips, Joe. The thing is amanye nga-poster ngashaya maybe before ngibamba umlilo. Yeah, understand. That's why uchola maybe ngipost video yami 2020. And someone is like, yo, mfana yasika wena. Kan bayibona manje, you understand? So ngina that thing nje ukuthi nga director ngabhala script
Because they usually say TikTokers are not actors. The actors will say that.
Yeah.
TikTokers are not, and we look at the content like we're watching more TikTok than TV right now.
Exactly.
Yeah, because I
Because
think
this is
the real art now is out there on TikTok.
Manje
I think TikTok
izinto
gave you guys the platform to
The
showcase because
platform.
they can keep the industry.
yeah, so manje TikTok just gives you a free pass.
But you know what I feel, ne?
Yeah.
Ngiphinde ngivumelane nama actors, ngiphinde ngivumelane nathi as content creators, yabo.
Yeah.
I-acting singayicovilize.
Yes.
It's so easy for me to do a video on TikTok and it trends millions of viewers and Jing mentioned that character. But you get a show, maybe
so
go
right.
Netflix,
Yes.
and it needs theater artists.
Yes.
Yeah,
Performance.
it needs raw acting. Then you will get those TikTok influencers. That's where my actors or Mampela Kala ukuthi we have raw.
Ukuthi we have raw talent, mara
Mara
ukuzibeka
you
ngoba
choose
unama
those
1 million
ones.
followers.
Let's be honest.
Yep.
There's a reason why when you watch Zone 14 even today,
And I was watching
Wow,
the
Zone
other day,
14
Yizo
on the
Yizo.
CBC Plus.
Guys, I
On the
discovered
CBC Plus.
Joe,
Yeah.
abo Yizo.
I was
Each
watching
generation
Yizo,
yakudala.
my colleague.
Ubizo.
Joe, like the only that englebe ngincanywa mina bekukuthi iyo manje ke ngathi istory simnandi. Is it Deep City?
Deep City, yes, by Black Brain.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah, yo,
like,
Deep
it
City
was
was
raw,
raw.
Joe.
It
It
was
was
raw
raw. It had
storytelling.
raw actors.
Wait,
You understand?
Konje Deep City EP.
Ile
Deep City, it's the
benabo.
one with the girls that were working at the workshop, Yabo Mechanic. On
So
Vacuum
they-
Magic
Oh yeah,
by
yeah, yes.
Black
They
Brain.
have Thomasan la by 3 or
The
4.
four girls.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so i ama actors, most of them bakhalela lento leyo because Joe, if we sohlanyiswa ama content creators, yes, there are those that are good.
That are good in
and you can't
acting
take
as well.
bona we can't take anything away from them.
From them.
Yeah, chola.
That's
But
true.
bamnandi. But Joe, remember we have the likes of Warren Masemola.
Warren
Yes.
Masemola.
Uyangithola ukuthi Joe.
Stanley.
Joe, remember kusesitopla? Is it
Says
just
Topla,
when
yeah.
I grew up, I thought Warren Nivele.
gay.
Yeah.
Nami.
Uyangibamba
His
nje.
character nje there.
So that's why.
I think
Here's
it's
an
his scope.
exclusive, by the way. I'm Eugene because that guy was Eugene on IAE.
Yeah.
No, not him. That's not Warren Masemola.
No,
Eugene
Warren
Ona yeye wa
Masemola,
Tapelo.
government.
Tapelo Mkwena.
No.
Tapelo Mkwena was Eugene Khoza on Ayeye.
No.
Yeah.
I'm Eugene because of Warren. Because I used to love his character too much.
Dala
Wait.
Casanova zinto zochi 8 government
Yeah.
account.
Oh yes, oh yes, he used to work in corporate.
Yeah.
Had the whole,
Tapelo was,
had that whole vibe thing.
Jacaranda
Oh
something.
yeah,
Was
okay.
Jacaranda.
Mara
Oh,
wena
okay,
still amthola Warren
Jacaranda.
Masemola. Uyamthola.
Jacaranda. Okay.
Uyamthola Warren Masemola ubani?
That's why I know Warren. The
Oh.
guy.
Oh, so you liked him because of? Oh,
And then I
plus you
changed
guys
my
don't
name
have
like
the
Eugene 'cause
eyebrows.
Everything would come to like, But yeah.
Serious?
Yeah, I changed my name and everybody's still this day. Henry Rockstar's like Eugene.
So now we are
Now I
now.
don't- now I
Yeah,
don't
he
want-
doesn't have
now
eyebrows.
I'm Sbuda,
Yambon.
back to Sbuda, guys.
Yambon.
Hayibo uchinja igama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I went to Rosebank, I changed my name to Eugene because of that character guy. I was just so obsessed
Because
with
you
that.
liked
Ah, wena
him.
makoto amadlozi
But you guys are
zokwatela,
special.
wena.
Ni special.
Yeah, laba banganama
Never
eyebrows
met him,
ne.
by the way.
Warren Masimola is special too.
Jo raw talent nikhuluma nge raw talent
especially
nikhuluma
right
ngaye no bathu bani bathu ma orange
Chippy Orange.
chipi ma orange
Oh, yeah.
Scroofman
Bye Joe.
Money.
Bye.
Lot.
Just I feel like nje, the entertainment industry as a whole, even good music, like
acting
we
wherever
prefer numbers.
Yeah,
Rather
over
than
real
raw
talent.
talent.
Joe, even
Over
in
real
a game my
talent.
podcast, you'd
Yes.
see my podcast, the presenters there. You'd find Gucci just because she has numbers on
Numbers.
TikTok
Yeah,
or Instagram,
yeah.
then she's
There's no raw-
yeah,
raw
understand.
talent.
Then you can bring someone Gucci emfanele Antoine Mnandi just nje told that thing.
Yeah.
Angeke bamgaye a platform. But you won't blame those people. But we are selling these.
we
We
want
are selling.
numbers
It's
So we
business
want
at the
numbers.
end of
That's
the
why Pind is
day.
here.
That's why
Yeah.
funa ama numbers
No,
ngaye
leave it.
No, Pind doesn't have numbers, but
Yeah, I don't have numbers,
But
but I have the knowledge.
talented ganja.
raw talent ushama international dreams the one with the most
Young Charlie.
intro yake yay
So
Young Tito.
bathanda my numbers these days because they're selling the content than the raw talent.
so we could say that's why TV is kind of boring because we're not seeing raw
These
talent.
days.
Yes.
No, also,
TikTok is the new television.
yeah. Also, because I like the fact that TikTok is not gatekept.
Yes.
You understand? You can literally put anything on TikTok and it's going to trend and it's going to be viral because, like, irreal,
You're not
dog. Like,
directed.
irreal. Yes, it's real. Like, it's as real as it can get because it's not.
Abakutshela
it's not
ukuthi yenza
censored.
so.
It's not censored. Like, abakuvala ngomlomo. Ayekho umuntu othe you can't say this. You can't do this. You just get there, you do your thing, ufake ibonnet lakho, so you're trend and then
manje ukhuluma ngami, yabona?
uyangithola. No, but
Well,
I'm making a
and
very
hlezi
practical
ngikhopha
example.
indaba, ningayenzi
Bro, I'm
ama-example
making a very practical
ngami.
example. Imagine if right now you shot your videos, ne?
Yeah.
Imagine you shot your videos and you went to the SABC to sell them. They'd probably look at you and be like, wena ucula ingoma zabantu. Ayikho into yakho. But you went on
Yeah.
TikTok and people were like, I want to consume that. I love that and I want to follow that.
TV
You know?
ngake-
And right now you are sitting on 1.2 million followers because people want to see that.
Yeah,
That's what
man.
1.2 million people want to see.
manje ngiyayithola ipoint yami
Yeah, Ivan. Yeah. So yeah, TikTok, I think social media.
mina
that's-
dala ngisho ngithi
very lovely.
i-cheat code
It's very lovely. It's very lovely.
Uyacaba enye into ne abantu abangayinaki. Mina like when we start because we do our live videos with our
wena ama-live wakho
Soul
ayingqedwe.
Revolver.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you see your Soul Revolver. So when we started, it was me, EQ, on IG.
Yeah.
So because EQ got overseas, then he just went live and I joined his live, then his lives, and he was like, "Fun, I see push." So we kept on doing our lives. Then that's how we met. I met Soul Revolver through our lives. So people were coming, was venting.
nina niyabahleka sikhathi leso
Siyabalaga, but we advise them also.
mara uyabalaga
Yes.
Ejo, uyacaba.
ngeke ngithathe serious mina advice yakho ungilaga
Yeah.
ungilaga
Ngiyacapha why,
ngikhiphe esiporweni muzo
Abantwana like youth yamanje Joe sense izinto eziscary and
Yeah.
we normalizing that.
That's true.
You understand? So that's why we laugh at them. That's why we laugh at them.
ukuthi bavuke
So when we moved to uIQ makabuya
emzansi
eMzansi, then aqala ababhizi obviously gigs and all that. Then that's when we went to TikTok. Revolver was like mfana, I said TikTok. Share my life and I was like, Revolver.
TikTok akunawa kanti hayi.
No, TikTok nakhona bengingayijwayelanga ngizwisisi
Yeah.
ikhambani.
kanti hayi
Okay, first day we did it, it was boring. Second day, I was like, mfana sibuyele IG. And then the third day,
zabuya wes
awubona ama-numbers ayakhuphuka manje.
Ayakhuphuka.
Ejo,
Yeah.
yazi TikTok right now, if I go live, I could reach 1,000 viewers within 5 minutes.
Because now people want to hear what you
Angithathe-
guys have to say.
ngicela
People want to
ungibambe
see
ngesandla
what you guys are doing.
ngibambe ngasandla ungangenzi uma
My attitude.
So with TikTok, you even get ama gifts.
Yeah, like those
Yeah.
stars, the ice
Abantu
creams,
bagifts.
ditawu.
That's money.
Mina lo
Ditawu.
yazi
Bari mabloma,
like,
mabloma,
I wanna
mabloma.
like ngicela ungiguide advice nyana about being live because mina ngifila ngathi ngiyahlaya ngikhuluma ngiyi-one umuntu noma wakajoyina uthola umuntu wathi khona akhuluma into for 2 seconds then athi athi tu
Yazi
manje ngiyothini mina makathi tu
I can tell you one thing about these TikTok lives, no? And I'll make an example. Reason why Tsekeleke is always trending all my lives.
Pam Pam Radio.
Oh,
Pam
that's
Pam
why.
FM.
yes.
Yes, why? Tsekeleke ukaya. I would say 99.9% of impilo yakhe
Yes.
Yeah.
every day.
It's
Sounds
as
a
real as
way
it
So
gets.
to-
most of our influencers, when they go live, they just want you to know Shaboma 2K. They don't want you to know Dumsani.
Dumisani.
Uhlala
Oh, you are
So,
Dumisani?
yeah.
Ay,
So
nawe
mina
kini.
with me,
Gama lantoko.
nukaya ke impilo yami doing akhona.
Yes, you give them
Ah,
Utumsani
mina nje ngikwazi-
and Shaba.
if you'd come across some live videos wethu uzobona ukuthi kunezi izinto engizenza lapha yabo dala zithi
Mina-
ngizala la
mina
ngiphuma
ngiyaenjoy.
ngamafastera ngenzani
Yeah.
ngiyugaya impilo yami on
And
a
that's
daily
what you
basis.
do even when people are not watching.
Yeah, young taller. So that's why when I'm live, everyone wants to see ukuthi ushaya wenzani. Because ngikwazi ukuzela ngenye
Why-
uniform ukuthi ushayize
why-
nyamaza amaZCC fana kamba. Yangibamba.
Eqedile
Yeah.
le-video yakho lo
Surprise.
that
Yeah.
So ama-influencers amabhayi into abashayayo leyo. Ukuthi,
bafuna ukuphila
Hi
into
guys.
one.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my what I
You know
tried.
what they do, but
Yeah.
oh, where did I get the earrings? Oh no, I can't say because they're not paying.
Young understand?
And
Wait.
those lives are boring. Oh my
So-
gosh, those lives are boring.
Yeah, guys, today it was nice.
Attitude.
Guys, please send requests. Yeah. Mina ke ngiyakutshela bafethu asipendeni.
Yeah.
Mara mina I wish like why ningayizami why don't you all try streaming? Fana uTsekeleke if azama lento
Because
ukustreama.
Casper's into streaming now.
Yes.
He's on Twitch.
And
He
manje
started
ngibone
streaming.
i-post on IG about people learning how to stream, kwenzakala and the benefits, and it makes more money.
believe in time,
compared
Jam.
to thingy.
Time, ne?
Yeah, mina I'm one person. Even with TikTok,
Yeah.
it was not only revolving ngitshele my life. Even people.
Mara
before
bama
this,
serious.
I believe in time.
Okay.
Isikhathi simasifika, then I had
Isikhathi.
to do it. Now I understand ukuthi TikTok ama live yenzakalani. So with this thing of streaming, I think there was a girl akangitshela ngayo ukuthi mfana try this, and I was like yenzakalani mina ngizwisisi nje.
Yeah.
Understand?
Plus into
But-
more cavish.
Mase ngizoba ne-knowledge ngayo ngicava ukuthi okay la kenzakala so. Trust me.
And that was time.
Yes.
Hey, speaking of time, it's time for us to have a conversation
Bega.
with the young man who has
The one
pioneered
and
a lot of
only.
hits in the industry.
Aye.
Mangithi El wena uthi Shapo El
Shapo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome
Shapizi.
Welcome Shapo in the building.
Chapo.
Sengifikile bathini lapho.
Kamba.
Uphakathi.
Ama freshmen sengafike kwenzakala.
Dilo
Skipani.
ditshitse.
Kipani guys.
Ah mna ndona.
Nandi.
Uyazi uchapo bengamcavi.
Oh. Kancane. So
Yeah, nice,
Nandi.
nice.
Tango.
Yaziphinda uchapo bengingamazi. Ubuso nyabazi.
Yes.
Nengoma mangangitshela ukuthi iziphi ingoma ngisho nyazazi. But
Yeah.
ukumhlanganisa nje ukuthi uchapo wani kenzakala nani.
Yeah, and for those that are actually like Ushaba, please let them know at home. Uchapo bani, udume ngani, ushayani.
Public
So,
enemy.
public enemy. Yes.
Number one.
Oqala
Whoa.
Uzibiza kanjalo.
Why are you
Kamba.
public enemy?
Because of El Chapo, he was the public
Chapo.
enemy of his time.
All right.
So the whole persona, everything is the guy, El Chapo, the drug
Yeah.
lord during his time and all. So yeah, I just took that persona and just made it into what I would want to move as in the whole industry.
So ukhulela phi kazi?
Ngikhulela eKaska la ngizalwe khona kuseMpumalanga eCarolina. But I used to move between Mpumalanga nase Soweto zone 5 at Deep Groove.
Itike kahle iphethe ama artist achop nje.
Yeah,
So
just like the Easter end.
So bolo kungapha nangapha.
Yeah, so it's bengispend ama weekend up by obviously ngifethe ekhaya ebazalini. So eMpumalanga nase DK kubo magogo. Mother and father side.
Okay.
Umagogo kaMawoledi umagogo kaThaya.
Angithole
Alright.
then la bengihlala khona kuse Olifants.
La eThembisa. Ukelezele va?
Ngikelezele Pitori mfana. Little 10.
Like primary, secondary.
Primary ngikelezele ebelungwini.
Yeah, ngashaya Afrikaans ngazama ukungihleba. Fleer primary. Aye, uchapo uzulile yo ngathi kuku yamabhedi ngathi kuku yebhedi ntanga bengikhulele Soweto ntanga like bekufunda lo muntu lo phela ngikhulele eMpumalanga bengifunda Soweto isikhaftini bengisile eMfanti izinto ezibaya but that all just made the person I am today. Like I can adapt anywhere I go. Basically ngikwazi ukufika eThembisa kubonakala ngathi ngintwana eThembisa or ngiyePitori kuba ngathi ufana nami njalo ufana nami injalo so I don't angifuni sigcina sesiba emotional but I want to know the dynamics endlini ukhuliswa i-time and all that mfana mina ngikhule kamnandi dog khulushisa yo ntwana ukhulukera
mina balungwini
ntanga mina ngikhule kamnandi kabi dog but yazi nyabancane abantu abafana noShabo ne ukuthi bayavuma ukuthi mina ngikhule Shabo you get someone okhule Shabo athi guys you need to work hard ngikhule kanzima nama I used to sleep no sinawa ukuthi my ezinye izinto mfethu once you because everything just makes the person you are, you understand? So once you disconnect from a certain aspect of your life, it also makes you mawufika kuleyo dating and then abantu so kwazi adapt abantu bamangala enhle ayasishaya uva yenu let's say ngivaya nawe Shaba sendlini sibona mawuledi timer uyabona ukuthi hayi man lentona le enhle ikhule grade
hey because I'm also so surprised when I get to like a couple of you know the people esisipana nabo here in the industry. I also get surprised when I get double story.
Yes, but
and I'm just like, dude, you didn't say, and they didn't have to say. Bafikile fede.
Whoa. Uphinda ufika kanjani emzini ama-cheese ama double story?
No,
Phindi we.
It's a very practical example, ne?
Okay.
Because I'm in radio. I've interviewed a couple of people, like a lot of people that have like suddenly felt like, when are you a good person, yabo? And ngishayi brai, ngiyakmema fere, yabo. Mawutafika very double story. How lo muntu lo that time usigqokile skipanyana sase Mr. Price, always rocking like the most basic clothes, speaking the most basic language. They don't look like they come from a rich family. Mara mawutafika kibo, it's a triple garage.
Okay, but another thing is like me, I feel like they try to adapt too much into what they've not experienced. And also Chapo, remember school asingafani khona abantu ukuthi baloko bakhulele efamily nemnandi vele baba mnandi then khona laba abana nozwelo you understand they always understand umuntu oswelayo you understand to a point where nabantu avana nabo he makes sure ukuthi I can afford Gucci. But for the fact ukuthi ngihamba noChapo and uChapo makathi ugqoka into edura
ugqoka Nike.
Asifundele Nike. Sure. You understand? Nababhaya nasekasi mfethu uhlangana nababhaya bakanjalo. Shoot my ekiwo. Uyazi ukuthi hayi ba unama taxi inini nontwana uGren. Mara kumele ukuthi abonakale naye ukuthi untwana esekasi. Razi le ndaba double story nophindi. Hayi phindi ka double story. Ama pray. I-pride dala siyihamba
phindi mara guys
nami ekhaya pride manje
no guys mina always get like
thank you Shaba
alema last minute Shaba
last minute osenyazi mangifuna uphinda ekhaya ekuni pride ngichaphini manje nje ke 30 minutes osa first pride
uthi ngomuntu omemekayo
uyamemeka ne
I will honor the invite
yeah no
yes ebusuku yo bese mawufika lapha bathi guys we are all matured here ne we are all matured lapho you must stand up and lead you must stand
sibadala sonke sibadala
mani nabo cherry must spin the bottle
abayazibona mfana bo cherry khohlwa mina amachita ngikwazi ukwa respect mara akeke umuntu engirespecta njengo cherry ucherry ukwazi ukuhlanga in a week abone 5 different lives labantu laba inhliziyo zabo. That's why many of us sikhuliswa ama-single parent and most of abantu abakhuliswa i-single parent i-old lady. You understand? I'm not saying about time aba-useless, but trust me nje umuntu okhuliswe i-time kuphela nomuntu okhuliswe i-old lady kuphela uyabona phela esijiteni
There's a big difference.
esijiteni
There's
esijiteni mfethu i-time abona 17 likwazi uku-understand ukuthi soyahlomba mina tot nanong na 25 but for the fact ukuthi ngisablome ekhaya i-old lady lami nje alizwana lento amantombazane lekutshela mfethu i-cherry A1 la
awuzotshintsha namantombazana la phambi kwethu
mara yazi ithama lizothini baba jenja ne berekisha condom umsha utale mali mara oledi oledi lami kuyaya I think ngenye into engenza ukuthi
amajita understandana
because mina ngumuntu ohlanyayo
Yeah.
esha ngifuna ukuthena le interview ngathi sekuyami but since ngumuntu ohlanyayo and things that I say kuma lives people will believe it I lay all over ibhizi nabo chera babhayi and mina
also
No, little
same
bit.
thing now
Yeah,
Joe.
ngifocusele
I mean I
empilweni.
think also abantu there's a specific way people view you young tall I seem to be seen ngathi le yabo cherry
Yeah.
but in all honesty mfethu mina ngisithandela umuntu oyi-1 ngisitholela umuntu wami ngiblome ngirelax
I was actually about to ask, how are the ladies dating your DMs? Because
uyazibona
number one,
now,
you're a
uyazibona
fine ass looking nigga. Number one, he's a fine ass looking black brother. Number two, listen, number
manje
two,
ufuna
I'm
sivume lento ukuthi finest looking black
No,
brother
no, ningayivumi, it's
mara
fine.
mbona uphinde wenzani
awupha amabhodo ngizofuna
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Sekuzowa
Ningayivumi, ne?
amabhodo.
But number two, amantombazana ayayithanda izinto bafethu, to be honest, and they want to be with the next hottest cat in the game. So whether be it's El Chapo or Scott Mapuma or Maple Keke or but if you are the person that's around all of these people, Nabomatumani and whatever, now we are Kika Unama Rider, you know. So how do you handle that dynamic way, na, as El Chapo?
as I said bro like mina mfethu angithanda izinto I've said this so many times and angithanda izinto
mara chapo hayi
Iphela la.
asingevara chapo as much as sine discipline
Yeah.
but at some point it's either you've been to that kuleso
have.
stage or
Yes.
That
usazoba
phase.
kuso or actually
definitely indaba ukuthi mina yazi khambeni ntanga mina I've been around for a long time
yes
so izinto zokugika nani
Wait, how old are you? Mo, too long time.
no I'm talking when I say long time I'm talking 5 years
No, okay,
Yeah,
that's
5
relatively fair.
3 to 5 years
Yeah, in the
understand?
game.
So it's like every year it is obvious mfethu angeke uye at least a year ungagiganga
yeah
you've gone through that you've
Yeah,
seen
yeah.
how it is you've seen your peers go through that
Yeah.
and maybe make mistakes along the way
Yeah.
I'm fortunate I've learned so many mistakes through my peers.
Through your friend.
you know ngavumelana nayo chapo ne I think enye into nami ngiyanceda mina before I don't want to say before I became famous because angifuni umuntu athi ubani lo uzothi famous but before abantu bangicava through i-content
As
lengishayayo ngike ngaba hood famous leyo
Sure,
kuyakhe
like in the
yeah
hood.
ikasi bengicaviwa that's all so angibanyubile
I felt it never came.
mara bekwistage jo
It was. Honestly, as men.
bobheka
Umbrella.
responsible
Yeah. Mara bashayile fethu.
egroundini awungeni unganamagazi
Yeah.
amajita azungu-understand
Yeah,
shaya amagazi
shaya igazi.
uyathola?
Ube safe.
Uba safe but badliwe jo that's why mina manje jo efethu that's why mina nanoma ngihamba nobani azokutshela nama-artist I've been to ama-kicking with uScott I've been ama-kicking all these artists
Yeah.
azokutshela ushaba kusinto i-priority ngeke ushaba kubiza ngokuthi yebo Cherry
Cherry,
Because you've been there, done that.
into zabothi mina ngisifunela ubumnandi kuhlanyiwe kube mnandi ezeyinsayiza
because
mfethu
also uyabona ekugcineni mfethu it's a picture that you paint
Yeah.
so once you paint that picture these people approach you the same way
Uyayibamba.
the way they see it ukuthi okay lo unemali
Yes.
ohamba
So-
nabo Scott
and mfana yazini that's why uzela wena yazini uringivana you know mfana ne mina always ngihlezi ngizireminder riding
Yeah.
I'd go to a conker okay let me not say conker because let's say piano hub
Yeah.
with Scott. Obviously, Abu Cherry bazosky attention.
Yeah.
If I would speak to a girl because ngamba no Scott,
Awuzokukholwa.
uzofuna ukungilalela. You understand? But I always remind myself, which Shaba, you are not Scott's boy.
You are not Scott's
Uhlale kini, uhlale roomini lakini. Lo mntana lo nanomungamsha manje. Kusasa mangathi.
Ufuna ukuzwakala. Yeah.
Okay,
Sasa
let me
uScott. Sasa uScott.
mangathi mfethu ngikayi 3000.
Yeah.
Yabonga usofaka uScott manje kwenye position where manje sekumele akhiphe emanyaleni uzifake ku. So I always remind myself, and I'm not saying this because angikhulumela lento ukuthi if benginemali I would have done things no.
Yeah.
But I always remind myself ukuthi boy lempilo le besides lempilo ilole kanzima. Dala
Yes.
sithandazela lempilo. Dala sifuna ukushintsha impilo zabazali bethu.
Showcase, dog.
Leyo nto le ngeke emotion nje into yokuthi insize nje. Bahle abahlangana nabo endaweni bahle mfethu. And ubona uCherry, hey I know you.
I know you from
Even if
Insta,
this
hey,
guy
Shaba.
voice note. Ngithi oh wala afuthi ngibani. Wala fere ukren. Shaba, look how shy you are. Ngithi hey ngakunyoba mara. Yathola. Nathi nje mfethu. Man beslam.
Yeah.
You have
That
to
ain't
be.
ngifuna ejo. And
I think it's easy.
I think it's just mfethu that ain't once you do it to me, like once you see okay, this is how it is.
It's a cycle.
It becomes it's not even a cycle, it's what it is.
It's what it is.
Chapo, would you, sorry to cut you down, would you, like, he's speaking about giving his mom something, what's the proper coins you're like, as in?
Jo
Let's
mina
get into your mom.
Jo mina it's not into always I need to ukubuyisela endlini but dog mina mfethu mi already la milacava ngiyalispoiler blind dog. When I get the chance to bro, she also knows ukuthi hey mntanami ngathi uvuke kahle namhlanje hey ngiyothola something, you understand, like she could tell me about something angibonise efonini ngifuna ikhula box kanje make her sure it's okay.
Mina let lami mungalise edaba nesipizza ukuphi kubhaye.
Yazi come on.
Beka isimende uzombona.
It's nginbekeleni I picture of how it's built again.
Yes.
So baphandile to a point where comfortability.
Yeah.
They are comfortable now, so they're not
So
waiting for you to bring
comfortable.
something back.
Yeah, so comfortable, so
Sure.
nice. Ukuthi
Swimming pool again. Kune swimming pool again. Kune swimming pool again.
No, hey, besengshilo.
so they comfortable to a point where it's like okay, sharp. Umntanethu even though angasiguy something.
As long as you can
Leyo
take care of
idea,
yourself.
izomkhaphanya izomsiza nasestradeni
Yena.
because simgayele leyo freedom yokube estradeni.
That's amazing, man.
Yeah.
They're not used to me being outside and estradeni, but they had to do it, and now it's at least it's.
But I
it's
think this is
working.
a sign that, guys, we should work hard so that our children can start working for themselves instead of back home. Because I, for one, okay, may the souls rest in peace. Baba made kushone sekana 70. I'm 29, by the way.
Yo.
Baba mushone sekana
Whoa,
70.
Shasha, uthi unangaki?
Usiswa
I'm 29. Umama mushone sekana boma 65 yabo. Even though like abantu bakudala. And they worked so hard so that we could have like the decent basics.
Yeah.
And now when I'm working guti ngikhulisa indlu yasendlini. Make sure my sisters are having an affordable because the parents are not there anymore. So the dynamic is different.
Yeah,
However, with the money that I'm getting now, if I was in El Chapo's position, mina ngabe ngiyadriver manje, ngabe
But
ngidriver
mina-
i-A1 yami, Audi A1.
It's also
Yeah, kube ngihlale emitrend nami ngisele parks ngizidlela ifebe ngimnandi. Manje nje mfethu ngobe ubuya kwenye mfethu.
but it's not as easy as it's.
It's not.
You understand?
Trust.
Because now it's like
you still have to work.
You still have to prove yourself. Ugut, okay, no, you can get to me. This is how I think. I'm working towards getting to their level,
Yes.
and then doing from that. I'm working to do things for them.
Greater.
Greater
like,
You
greater
don't
things.
even want to disappoint them
Yes,
also.
and there's no pressure in that
Mfana.
sense. There's
Yeah,
no pressure
there's no
in that sense
pressure.
because now, first of all, I'm young. I'm very young, young tall. I'm young. For my age right now, I've accomplished a lot for.
Yeah.
And shout out,
In the
man.
sh- in
Shout
the-
out,
in the-
shout out,
in
shout
the
out,
short
shout out.
space of time.
Unanga-
Yeah, because some people are not proud to say, hey, I've accomplished a lot. I mean, like, star.
Yeah.
Bro, we star.
Nah.
Una 23 ne?
Na 23.
We star.
But yeah, you also have that task of like, okay, from what they did, I've learned.
Yeah, so it's like
comfort, so
this
you-
is a standard they've put.
It's a legacy.
Where
you have
now
to live up
uphume
to.
endlini kanje ngeke so this is what my dad told me. Uphume endlini kanje mina ngifuna ukuvakashela umuntu emkhukhwini.
And that's true.
Yeah,
Ngcono ubuye
lapho.
ekhaya.
Ngcono ubuye ekhaya mfana. Aleli var. Leli var.
That's what they told me. Kuthi uyaphanda wenzani you can ungaphanda uyenze yonke into.
But mazikubuyela mfana buye ekhaya.
mazikubuyela buye ekhaya.
Yeah, now when you speak about El Chapo as a producer and as a person who pioneered like a lot of sounds in the Amapiano sphere, like you've worked with some incredible vocalists. We understand. Like I'm just keen to know, how do you approach like building around a voice, especially with ama artists like abo Tumelo ZA and abo BBSON. Like how do you work around building like a voice around in terms of ingoma?
Yeah. I think a lot of times it's just the energy in the room. Because a lot of times the studio sessions happen where it's vibes, bro. You'd swear that a studio is some sort of ipahati dog.
I always tell people, no, sometimes they want to understand the song, you have to be there when they make it.
Because baningi and they come up with different ideas.
Exactly.
So-
But you, at the same time, you're not supposed to get caught up in that environment and think kuti, but we are working.
Yeah.
So I think the dog, it's so easy to work with people who really know and are know what they're doing and are willing to learn and experiment.
And match your energy also.
Yes. So a lot of us right now, we're experimenting. That's why there's so many sounds. You understand when it comes to piano. I've worked on too many sounds, but I stick to a sound that I feel like it needs recognition and needs to be heard until I get it right, and get it to the right people, and then.
Talking
goes
about
out.
sound, Poison, please explain this piano. There's Japino, there's caramella sauce,
Yeah.
there's Mexican.
No,
There's this Kidongo, there's
I
this
think-
Gija, there's private, there's public,
there's
there's
Mozambique.
commercial.
Mozambique. Azusazi Japino sauce, jalapeno
Yeah. Also because
sauce, uchapuza ke Brazilian.
with that question there, I've realized that your sound and your production style is very much layered.
Yeah.
No.
It's a mix. I've always mixed. Styles from start from because
Wait. Before that, please explain. First, break it down.
I should just break down the whole thing.
What's
Yeah.
what's
So-
jalapeno sauce? What's JD? What's and then come to
According
come
to
to-
your knowledge.
It's experimenting, bro.
How
and
do
then
you
you just put a
differentiate
name.
that audience?
And you just put a name
Just
to
put
it,
a name
ne?
to it. So it's like you come up with something that hasn't. You see with JD. JD is agna ilok drum le esitrael.
Yes.
It's
Okay,
just some weird sound, but it moves like a lock drum. Makes you move like a lock, but it's not the lock drum.
Who came with JD?
Sleazy.
Oh, and then he put a name to it.
He play okay manje.
Nami ngibuza lokhu.
Yeah, I
Hey,
was
it's
sleazy.
the sound yakamelo in
The
sleaze.
sound umameli midnight in Tiklu.
Midnight and
mina
you should
that's
check it
fine.
out.
That
You should
sound-
check it out.
That sound.
Shout out to
is
Melo, Sleazy, and
JD.
Timon Express for that
So
one.
that's how, and then I think Chapino or Iskitongo. I think it's the same type of thing. It's
Yeah, it
more
is.
Iskija.
Msindo,
Isakumule
it's more
Iskija.
Iskija, yeah, no.
It's that underground that we always had, but obvious manje it's like
The sound that Abum TRP
yeah,
pioneered.
now it's like more. It's more.
No, I think
Ikijima West, man.
Yeah, manje abantu
Ikijima
like
West.
have caught on
Also,
to
I think
it,
someone
yeah,
who made it sound more peculiar was Uvagro when he worked with Ichezi Disciples with his Disciples of Piano 2, Volume 2. Like when he came with Double Monday to Sunday.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
he made
yeah,
it more he made it more warm. Like he made it more commercial to listen to.
I think it's just a thing of just commercializing these songs because manje there's no per se commercial sound.
yeah,
a lot
because
of-
anything can be bought.
So bama noma yini.
No, I'm not-
No,
that's
yeah,
why-
not deep house, but even deep house. I mean, look at the likes of your Coco essays. They're still now
Yeah.
breaking the airwaves.
They've-
Who's this Artwork Sound? Russell Zuma.
They literally just fall under. They're doing more of deep house, but they fall under a private school.
Private school piano.
Yabona ke
Exactly.
that's why ngizimamele igospel Brian uyabona ngeke uzwa abo Rebecca Malume abo Rebecca Malume bathi kune Jalopino God what iskidongo Messiah baba lapha uNkulunkulu
God.
uyabifini sathane sidile nomuntu walo sathane nina nabo Jalopino
No, at the end of the
abo
day,
skidongo
piano.
abo skija
At the end
abo
of the
private
day.
school akuna private school gospel usathane uyanya and siyamnyathela yini sifunale.
At the end of the day, piano. At the end of the day, you piano.
And you know what's the thing about these piano producers, ne? When there is a different sound, abaqeda ukushaya.
Yeah.
Hamba nongasa understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mara vele ngoba ntanga mina ngithi ngitshela into eyi-one.
Why ngimamela isif ngeke understand? Why? That's why ke mina angimamela abo Rebecca Malupe bangeke bathi ngeke understand bakutshela uNkulunkulu yanyamtana masini. Manje nina ongasa understand pano ngasetlhalohanya.
Ka tlhaloganyo mfana.
Abo mdu bazothi now asina kwa bana unyaka umamela bana ya ko rekere.
No, Diriang, yeah, mfethu, especially when we're experimenting, once we find the right one, bro, yo, mfethu, kuba ngathi,
Nedimoni.
yeah, my sesihamba nayo.
unlocked something,
Mase siqala ukuhamba nayo, now the masses get to hear it. They still hear it as a piano, but you can hear there's something different.
Different.
'Cause they all
yeah.
But-
That's why Iba wave.
Yeah.
Marabati, like I'm a producer, not as like abantu who consume
the music.
We listen to songs differently. Like when we
We do.
analyze ukuthi hayi,
Yeah.
le
We
beat
do.
yaphayisa
I
somewhere,
co-
so mina ngizwe phiri maru.
Uyayithola.
Then the producer uzokutshela ukuthi hayi.
Dog, you know what's the thing? We do listen to music different because we make music. You understand? When I'm mamelu music,
It's the end product.
it's the end product. We know how to it's from start
Break
to
it
finish.
down.
So mina mangimamela music ngimamela into wena ongeke uyimamele. Ngimamela ama drums or ngimamelani. You understand?
I-key.
But
Mina ngifuna seyibhiri maru.
wena seyiphelele.
Ufuna social challenge ku TikTok.
Yeah, seyiphelele wena umamele ilok drum ihamba kanje. But
Yeah.
that's also why we have so many songs that sound alike. Because uthola umuntu ayenza ilok drum in a specific way or in a specific groove,
Yeah.
and everybody wants to do it now because it's the thing that's moving.
And I wanted to ask you this, ne? Actually no ke. Don't you guys think mhlambe some of ingoma ze piano
Yeah.
some kunama vocalist that they save ingoma kube ngathi manje the beat yiyo. Angazi
Most,
wena understand.
yeah, most.
Njengoba uthi
Most of
wena
them.
mawumamela ingoma umamela into esingayimameli.
Yeah.
You understand? You'd listen to a song thina ezabantu abathanda music and you love that verse we
Yeah.
dance for
Yeah.
that. But wena uthi
You listen-
Mina
Swag leya-
ngizwe
uzwa leya
beat
beat leya nje,
ngizwe
swag
beat ngithi
kanjani.
yo kube bayenze so angithi swag ngithi kube baye
Uyayibamba?
because someone
'Cause that's
else's
how you would have done it.
no, it's someone else's creativity. I never downplay anybody's creativity.
But according to now El Chapo, this is how you
This
could
is
have
how
done it.
I think I would have done it.
Yeah.
Kuthi hey gijime kamnandi kanje la. That's how I would
okay.
have done it. That's how I listen to songs, especially songs that are not mine. I also listen for inspiration from songs. I don't,
From songs.
I don't just listen to songs.
Talking about everything,
Yeah.
jalapeno sauce and all that. What sound do you think you came with?
I came with.
Yeah.
Anjaya mina ngakutshela manga dog, because mfethu I think there's a lot of stuff that we've tried out, especially Nabo Tyler.
Yeah.
We've been trying out which is a wave I jumped on that was already cooking yana, like this drum piano type of thing.
Yeah.
That I think
Mnike. I think
yeah,
Mnike
came
also
from
caters for that
Mnike.
sound.
And then me, what I did, I took Imnige and what was Briani,
Briani.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. I mixed it and I called it Bounce.
You call
Ibizan-
it?
Bounce.
I remember.
Okay, wait. You call
Ngiyabona
it
ke?
bounce. Sharp.
Sekune pounds.
Now,
A bounce.
now, considering the fact that you've worked closely with the likes of Abu Taylor ICU, like according to you, according to El Chapo as a musician, not because mhlambe intwana zakho or
Yeah.
who do you think has been the most pivotal in shaping the new Amapiano sounds? Because you guys are always in studio cooking, and I'm sure with the cooking. There's something like new that always comes up.
Yeah,
You don't
for
know
sure.
you came up with the sound bounce by fusing those two.
Yeah.
Like who has been currently the most pivotal, important in terms of like introducing a new sound currently, according to El Sharp?
Melo and Sleazy.
Guys,
Danko.
Javo boy, I need to ask this one.
Danko.
How is Melo and Sleazy producing the entire Amapiano industry music?
Boy.
Like, which one is that one?
But me, I don't understand.
They are
fam.
codes.
Hey, bro,
Fana
and
lapha.
they work.
Yazi-
They work.
Joe,
ne?
The whole industry.
Joe,
Lama
listen,
athi lawa,
listen
Joe.
to how they came in ngeBacardi piano.
Yes.
And listen to the sound now.
And
Now,
kuna 11 babo.
the
Like check
difference.
amajuwo Joe angenile gaming. Yiba
I'm
basasel
telling you,
and yakhumbula when I did the video amagutu amapiano.
Yes.
It posed the question ukuthi where's Melo and Sleazy?
Yeah.
Where's Melo and
guys,
Sleazy?
listen. The reason why I did that video, and there are certain names that I didn't include there. That's the whole concept. Ukuthi ngishiye that question
Yeah.
mark. Ukuthi niphikisane.
Yeah.
Baphi?
There's no way you can mention the real goats of Amapiano and not mention
not
Abo
mentioning
Melo
Melo
and
and
Sleazy,
Sleazy.
Abo Gaba Canal,
Gaba
Abo
Canal.
MFR Souls,
Oh,
even vocalistic
Sana.
Joe.
Sana.
Uyachola? Even Bheka naye ubasi.
Ubasi, ooh.
Uthatha ama-award.
I'm a Metro
But I
3.
didn't mention her on that
3.
video. You know, I'm not saying abekho mnandi.
Yeah.
You understand?
You are just leaving room for
And
conversation.
manje bona bayithatha ngathi
Hayi,
rephula pedi
know- you know-
ngayithathi nge-chest man Melo and Sleazy lead him
You know also what's one thing we need to respect these guys for.
Yeah.
Piano was also, at the time we were starting off. Once he looked at me, he took isigubhu busizwa yes isigubhu sayashaya ilokudrum
Yeah.
but once it like iba distorted it was a no
You can
but they
tell.
made it work.
Yes.
always made it work.
They made too much. Distorted is like my saying
Ngathi
ngathi
iyarasa.
iyahlaba.
Ngathi it's yeah, they made it work, which came after they came Bacardi piano,
All these subgenres.
quantum sound.
lento simple every artist manje utrendayo a vocalist unengoma ne-Melo and Sleazy.
Yes.
My brother, I've looked at the facts. Melo and Sleazy probably on the top 50 Spotify, top 100. There's like 50 songs, Melo and Sleazy.
It's up.
You go
Yes.
back
Imagine
10 years,
they have half of
Melo
that
and Sleazy, Melo and
playlist.
Sleazy.
Hey, Joe.
Abomvelo, Melo and Sleazy.
Bro. These guys,
They're always there.
they're also smart with how they work because they always find new talent and will make it work. You see, like they can. In fact, Ulimek ngesikhathi mina Ulimek ngemcaba sasebancane dog.
Yes,
from
nisakhula.
Ngithola.
Or before hlanya ne
Dala hlanya lo muntu.
before bamlo hlanya
Dala hlanya.
Mara
So
nonke nahlanya.
sonke sahlanya.
but initially I think
So
ngapha.
I know him from Simnandi Records.
Yeah.
But when he came, I think there was this ingoma Khumuli Skip.
Usigqoke
After leyo ngoma leyo athi Melo and Sleazy.
yeah sekushaye wabo awusabhejiwe nawajelwa ane
Yeah.
yeah
Ah.
barekele meke ejo
Sports,
i-Melo and
same
Sleazy
thing.
yahamba naleza
Bro,
amalasa
those guys are too good.
Bro,
And in the essence, yoguthi, like, when you look at Amapiano as a whole, like its strength sakona is rooted in the concept of collaboration.
Yeah.
And when are there any upcoming artists that you have been like maybe mentoring Bakukasi? Because I know you've been working with prominent artists and you've been like umsebenzi wakho awubonakali ngegama kuphela.
Sure.
You can actually see your work and we hear, we listen to your work. Like, are there any artists in Kame that you think we should be on the lookout for, or you are mentoring that we should also like be like, okay, okay, moto.
I wouldn't say mentoring or because I think that's a really heavy role to play.
That's an mosquito job to do, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's a heavy role. it's a heavy role because now emfethu lo muntu lo mele kube ngathi incusi yakho Ju.
Okay.
Uthi you make it work. So
That makes a lot of sense.
I've been working with upcoming producers and vocalists here and there, but I think once I'm comfortable and in a space where I can take that talent and make it work like properly, that time will come.
Yeah.
Yeah, not now. I think manja I'm still trying to build a proper foundation for myself as a brand, as an artist, as a producer.
Quick
But I
question.
think you've built Oh, sorry, Askis. Like
you good?
Yeah, no,
That's
I'm
a
not
soldier,
good.
yeah, man.
I'm not good. Like I still have a lot of
doesn't
things
it?
to ask.
Yeah,
Quick question, Chapo.
yeah.
It's not a. I know you probably have a game. Quick game.
Yeah.
Quick game. I'm gonna list
Sure.
the track.
And I don't have a game. I just had one last question.
One last one. And, it's a shy fast before it
Yeah, me akabuze question
first,
ukugcina
right?
unyobisa
Yeah,
abantu.
no, like, I wanted to know, Guti, like now that you've built,
Yeah.
you've worked around the past year. You've been working around building your name
Yeah.
as El Chapo in the industry. Now you're probably trying to put in the work. Which other artists like that you haven't worked with? Because you probably worked with everyone, piano.
Yeah.
Which other artists would you like agu hit list yakho or wish list yakho that you would like to collaborate with this year? Because we're only at the beginning of the year. I mean, it's
Yeah.
only May now. So, like, which other artists for the rest of the year do you see yourself collaborating with in terms of making your number?
Bro, I see myself collaborating with everybody, dog. Like anybody and everybody. Like your DJ Mufres, your Kabza the Small, your. It's also about because they are. This is one thing I've seen. People are when they are in their zone with a specific sound or what. You can't come in and you try
can't get them out.
to introduce your stuff.
Yeah.
Because that's gonna. So me, I feel like, because I'm very versatile. You can get me on
You
a soulful
are.
song. You can get me on
You can get
any type of song, young tall. So I'm open to, like, I really want to work with everybody. That's why. That's one thing I told myself from the start. With angisebenza nabo bonke. Ukuthi
Bonke,
ubani
ne?
akazwani nobani noba hayi.
That's for them.
And ngifuna ukubuza na Chapo.
Sure.
Why every, there are producers for certain sound.
Sure.
You understand? You cannot question Kelvin Momo
Yeah.
for giving us a soulful piano.
Yes.
You
Private
understand?
school. Or
But why now ngathi every producer, like that's other isilungu sithini man. Enye ama reason ukuthi imele inslizi sibasalute
Yeah.
kanje. Because they stick to their
They
sound.
stick to their sound.
Ubheka ama-producer amabhane makangena egamini ugama isong amnandi strata keep EP or album. Oh nkulunkulu baba siyahlupheka
I
thi
think-
everyone sekafuna ukuba soulful and all that.
spiritual.
And all. That's why again mabaqala bathi iskompo hey what
Yeah.
compared to ipiano we say no ipiano ngeke iwe reason why abantu basho kanje it's because now ebumnandini the only times isihlanya sifuna ukujiva sekudlaliwa iskompo.
Yeah.
Every time it's either we listen to
Mama.
Scott Maphuma or Kaboli Meg or throwback
Yeah,
Yamapiano.
Abongelique.
Abongelique.
You know why? I think it's because once you have a name, you think people. There's this. I'm not talking for everyone, but as a creative myself, I would also understand why they would do that. Is
Yeah.
to commercialize themselves. Because it's the commercial. What do you call this? Soulful is the commercial
Sound
sound.
currently.
Yeah, like.
Hey man,
Sound
Chapo,
that's
hey
easy to
commercial,
buy. Yeah,
hey
it's a
man,
sound
Chapo,
that's
Chapo.
easy to
And
buy.
then I understand.
No, it's the sound that's easy to buy. It's the sound that is
Exactly.
easy to
I
buy.
understand.
Ebafethu sheve lumshove bafethu.
Exactly.
Yakhumbula sadlala bo piki mabelana. Leso sikhathi bekusasenabona nathula on the other side.
Nanathula.
Ebafethu we knew ukuthi if ufuna music okanje yakubani if ufuna mara manje sonke
Mina ngiya-understand already ngoyikhuluma nje.
Yeah, no, I feel
That's why also mfethu awufuni ukumisa ntana.
You don't want to miss.
Rather stay safe than sorry.
Yes. Shafla, you okay?
Quick one. I'm
Yes,
just gonna throw the names. You tell us how it happened.
Yeah.
Yes.
Manzinte.
Yo. Manzintebe ngibuya I just came back because I had a gig. I just came back from getting clothes. And then I went into studio. It was the time Tyler had a camp. So I I think the next day or 2 days later after we made Epasine, you understand, Masterpiece is in studio. He just recorded his whole thing.
Yo, and the masterpiece is delicious. Hey?
Yabona yini manje? Masterpiece.
No,
Okay,
it's
sharp.
not.
I'm
Like,
upright.
guys, I saw him
delicious.
Uji masterpiece wenzani?
Wait, guys, I saw him Butimene and oh my gosh, what a fine looking ass, bro.
Delicious.
Anyway, moving
Okay.
on.
It's not about that.
Mara-
Masterpiece
Yenzakalani la?
delicious. Nangu delicious seka recordile.
Yeah.
Usika is doing his thing there. I'm like, hey, ngena lapha khala. Ngita yanyiwa manje. Sescooping. Yangithola. Mfethu ngene la. Shy nosika ngene uTyler. Shy. Shoot my mina ngithola basase busy nayo. Nami ngifake intanga ngithola. Ngibatshele ngithi bafethu yabona le. Any Epasine mfethu yazi besingayizwa grand. Beyizwa uTyler because he used to wake up every day. Aye emotweni ayimamela abuye studio I change. I tweak.
What's
we
this
talking
thing of
about
going to the
Imagine
car and listening?
And listening.
Dog.
Listen to the end product.
Yeah. So that's what Tyler did, bro. Like he changed that song like
that
7
makes
times.
sense.
Next song?
Yeah.
No, but bekadinga ngebhasini or imanzinte.
No, it was
I said
Manzinte. He
Manzinte.
just made a mistake.
So Epasini?
Epasini.
Yeah.
Epasini say 2 days before Manzinte. It was a day or two before Manzinte.
How do you create Manzinte Epasini?
It was a
All
camp.
in one.
Bekuyi camp.
Yeah, it was a camp.
Lenda ma camp
Eh,
le.
lama camp le, Iriel.
Nabanyoba labantwana bama vocalist ne.
Ah,
Lenda ma
wena.
camp le.
Aye, wena.
Anbad.
Sharp, it was a camp. T-Man came, Lime Crazy, Tumelo was in studio, Khalil, a lot of people were in studio that day.
Ubalitalented kuphela la.
Utimen megavaya cho. Bafit mina singavaya. Because I don't know, we were busy with a song. Oh, we were busy in Epasine actually. And then I think we were taking too long. He had just did a song before this song. Before Epasine. And then he's like, nah, I mean, I ever feel I'm going home.
I'm going.
Baba Fagale.
Going home.
Dude, and it was like a joke at the time.
Yeah.
You understand? In the moment, it was a joke. I am going home.
Mina.
I'm going home. And then,
dude.
yeah. And then now it's like, when I listen to it, it's like an interpolation of this other gospel song.
Yes, it's Ngekaya. Going home. I'm going home.
Yeah.
Ngekaya.
We're out of time, guys. Quick government.
This is my first time actually hearing the story about this song.
Government, we did the beat with J-Sex. It was just a beat. And then I got it back, baby. Limek Crazy. I got it back, I think, the next week. It was also same camp.
You mean
No,
the
I approach you
government?
am I hit
Yeah,
I can
dude,
play.
all of those songs as
Were done in
Pume
that one
during
camp?
that time were done in the camp. Yeah, they were done in the camp.
Can we have that camp
Oh.
every 2 weeks or monthly? Because we need those hits.
a week after.
We need those hits.
Because I also had Scott Maphuma go interview yake go
Yeah.
He
Yeah.
even mentioned in the camp.
Yeah,
Indaba
camp,
camp
well,
ukuthi
we need the
Mazu
camps.
shaya ingoma ezitho so there was a camp.
They were camping.
Right.
Ama-campers,
We
abuye
definitely
ama-camping.
need those camps.
Dude, a camp is abuya too.
So now, when all has been said and done, when Incwadi El Chapo has been closed,
Yeah.
like what would you like El Chapo to be remembered for, especially in this music industry, because you are a creative that dominates in music. Like Incwadi yakho nje mase ivaliwe, say maybe it's 20 years from now, like 100 years from now, when your book has been closed, what would you like the last chapter to sound like?
Na incwadi ukulayela. Bafaka nje abantu. Phathe marubulethu wayithi. Bazolana le vino. Bar
Cishe ngapha.
Bathora hawulethu. Angithanda lento ukuthi I want to be remembered as because they remember
No, I'm just saying, Guti, when all is
Ufuna-
said and done, Guti, like your story, how would you like your story to be told?
Like, bro, I literally just came into this thing with a passion against music at the end of the day because, manje, I came from doing hip hop and it's like I'm still gonna go back to hip hop. I still have projects loading from this year as a hip hop, and so it's just being a musician. Music. I just want to be a music mogul. At the end of the day, go to okay sharp. This is one of the guys that were doing it. In
Quick one.
South.
Nah, shut up, man. Quick one.
Yeah.
10 seconds. Top 5 producers.
Top 5 producers.
Yes. Besides you, except you.
Obviously, Shabo Machuke.
Ovi.
Okay, top 5 producers. In no specific order.
Yeah.
And the Zomzilo Lomuntu 10.
10 seconds. 5.
X-Tapi.
Okay.
Oof.
Who else, bro?
10 seconds here, my brother.
Carter.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Please.
Melo and Sleaze.
Melo and
Yeah.
Sleaze. Shota Chu.
Haibo.
Matuta.
Tyler ICU.
Oof.
Sega.
Can I ask one question fast?
Mara Lomuntu
Yeah, fast, before you close. Faster.
Uche. Mara Lomuntu
Or it's
Ovi.
top
I'm
10.
expecting
No, we
2
said
TRP.
5.
Obvious. In fact,
Okay,
dog,
cool.
me, I don't like to state the obvious, bro.
Yeah.
So, like, I can't. Top 5.
Those are already
Is
OG.
excluding
Yes,
Abantu
the OG.
Esazi.
Oh.
We already know.
Young
Yeah.
Kabza is there.
Bako Novia.
Maporisa,
Like,
Oh, yeah,
everyone.
yeah.
The minus.
Yeah.
ngizothi mdu but waya faka umdu.
Yeah.
Quick true or false?
Sure.
Amapiano originated in Durban.
Ini?
Amapiano originated in Durban.
False bafethu ngeke.
We are begin.
Amapiano never include.
Mhlambi asazi.
Amapiano never include vocals.
False.
Amapiano is subgenre of kwaito.
Subgenre.
Yes.
It can't be true. Subgenre.
It is a subgenre.
I don't think so.
I can't just like
Yeah,
one.
namanye
I think-
producer mapapa buya ferne piano. Bazokuche ukuthi snap it off.
No, I can't Kwaito. House is a subgenre of Kwaito.
Okay?
Amapiano is a subgenre of house.
No, it's
so
not.
all of these are like great
Dude,
children.
you
and
can't
great
say it's a
children.
subgenre because
Again after yon.
I'm getting after you.
deep house. You can't say deep house is also a subgenre of kwaito.
It's
Kwaito.
not.
Kwaito.
All right. No, it's fine. It's
No,
a discussion for another day.
I think it's a mixture of house music and kwaito.
Kwaito.
It's not a subgenre.
Okay. Makes
You understand?
sense.
DJ
Makes
Maporisa
sense.
helped popularize Amapiano globally.
True. Globally,
Yeah.
true. Because he came in, he took Amapiano already having the international.
Yeah. The recognition. Like, Libana Baka.
Vocalistic is one of the pioneers of Mapiano.
True.
El Chapo is the dopest producer in Mapiano.
True. Usbani.
True.
Konje wenza ipingoma zakhe zipi?
60
True.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for coming through, bro.
I appreciate
it's
it,
been a
guys.
pleasure hanging out with you. Also, you Shaba Matuke.
Yeah, ngithola siphethe uShaba
He is
Matuke ezinye
officially
izinja.
a friend of the Fresh Pod. So
ngithola-
you will be seeing him maybe more than once or twice within this particular space.
Nami ngikhona guys.
Even Well Shapo is also officially a friend of the Fresh Pod. So you
Sibuya
will be
kude
seeing
ne-freshmen.
more of them.
Nibabuze sibuya kude.
Fair.
Wathi buya kude buya bichapo.
Hey, baba.
Wait, he will tell you all about that. For
Daniel.
now, we will see you next week, same time, same place, to do it bigger and better. It is your Pindi Black, Ntombi, Yase East Rand, here to do it bigger and better. We will see you once again next time.
Thank you for
Bye.
joining us, guys.
Tako.